powered by a turbo 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features rain-sensing wipers, leather seats, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, Bluetooth wireless, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.